In this video, I will show you how to make this cute crocheted heart bag for your doll. Let's get started. To make this bag, you will need light yarn. I use this acrylic one, Melissa Cool, but embroidery thread will work very well with this project also. 3 mm crochet hook, scissors and needle, and optionally just a chain for the strap, but you can also crochet a strap, so it's not necessary. My chain has about 6 inches, so 15 centimeters long. Start making a magic ring. Okay, chain 2. And inside this magic ring, we will work 10 half double crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Close this hole and insert your hook into the first half double crochet we made and make a slip stitch. Now just yarn over, skip this first stitch, and into the next one we will work 7 double crochet in the same stitch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. This is how it looks like. Now in the next stitch we will make 1 half double crochet. In the next stitch 2 half double crochet. 1 and 2. In the next stitch 2 half double crochet. 1 and 2, chain 1. In the same stitch make 1 double crochet, chain 1, and again in the same stitch make 2 half double crochet. 1 and 2. So here we made the bottom part of our heart. In the next stitch make 2 half double crochet, 1 and 2. In the next one just 1 half double crochet, and in the next one again 7 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Skip the next stitch, and in the next one just make a slip stitch. So this is what we have. Here you just can cut the yarn. Okay, and I will just make a knot on the back using this tail, the beginning tail. So this is our heart. Now we have to make one more exactly the same And now we will just sew these parts together to create a bag. When your two hearts are ready, take one, put it facing down and the next one facing up on the top to make a little sandwich. And now we will just join these two hearts together. We will start, this is the 7th double crochet, the 6th one and the 5th one. We will start here from the 5th one, but I guess I will start from the back one because I made a knot and I want to keep to just keep it inside. So again, 7th, 6th, 5th. And now I will just join these two hearts together. And as I want to use my chain, this is a great moment to introduce it. But I know that I have to change the needle because this yarn one will not enter into this chain. Okay, here it is. Just make a few seams and stitch by stitch I will just continue sewing both sides together. Okay, until again the 5th, so here from this side it will be 1st, 2nd, 3rd until the 3rd double crochet of this group of 7. I changed it again because I prefer to join yarn with this one. And as I said, the chain is optional because you can just start sew both hearts together without any chain, and later you can make just a crochet chain and attach it as a strap for your bag. So I keep working any moment, and in the moment I will show you how it looks like. As I came to this 3rd one, double crochet, I change my needle again and I will attach this chain. Just make a few seams. Okay, cut the yarn and I will weave in this end, and our heart bag is ready. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you next time.